buff dudes and girls. We're here at the beach on the lookout for some gains. And to be able to get some gains, we're gonna be doing a single exercise tutorial, body weight. Because good thing about body weight is you can do it anywhere. And since we're at the beach, I feel like this is a perfect way to explain on how to do bear crawls. Now we got a nice wide open space, as you can see, and we're gonna try to take advantage of this. So this exercise is really great because it's gonna involve the full body, it's gonna test your endurance, and it's also gonna work on core strength and stability as well. Now, the way to do this is gonna be getting in the crawling position here. Now, instead of just kind of starting to crawl, which that's pretty easy, you're not a baby, what you wanna do is elevate your knees off the ground, just like so. And you're gonna get in this nice, straight, rigid position in your back. You're almost gonna look like a table in a way. And a quick tip to try to remember is act like you're, or at least think like you're trying to balance a cup of water on your upper back there, and that's gonna really help stabilize that motion there. So once you begin the motion, you can be raising one hand forward and one knee, and you can be working the opposite. So opposite hand to opposite knee or foot, and then you're gonna be slowly crawling just like so, neutral chin, stabilize the movement, nice and slow. Try not to spill that cup of water. Now, it's pretty simple as you can see, but the longer you do it, the harder it gets. So try to do it for around 100 feet or so, and to make it a little bit more difficult, once you reach that 100 feet, do the same movement in reverse. And you're really starting to feel it in the whole body. And the good thing about this is, it's not only testing your stability, your balance, and your endurance, it's also gonna help with postural benefits as well. So it's really gonna tighten that upper back up, gonna get that core nice and stable and strong. So in the long run, you're gonna see those great benefits, and you can perform this exercise anywhere, like the beach. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick exercise tutorial. And as always, stay buff. David Hasselhoff, eat your heart out.